palatandaan nito is meron siyang 5 women statues. Dapat 6 to pero may nagnakaw nung missing piece. So, now I can see Erectyon. So, this is the temple of Erectyon. Dito nag-away si Athena and si Poseidon para ma-determine kung sino magiging goddess nitong Athens. Ang palatandaan nito is meron siyang 5 women statues. Dapat 6 to pero may nagnakaw nung missing piece. Probably the Brits again. This is actually a sacred temple, no, dedicated to Athena and somewhat Poseidon din kasi dyan sila nagpakita ng bravery nila. It's nice. So, alam nyo, before, marble daw tong mga to. And then because of acid rain, naging dark siya. It turned into lime. Pero, could you just imagine, marble to. Ang bigat nung marble nung time na yun. And wala naman talagang machines or technology for you to be able to build these things 2,000 years ago. Narinig ko lang yan dun sa tour guide. Okay. So, ito na yung pinaka-Parthenon na pinasabog ng mga Venetian. Nandyan yung statue ni Athena before. Now, pag aakyat kayo dito, nasa tuktok ng Acropolis yung Parthenon, di ba? Make sure to go to the restroom first. Kasi wala talagang restroom dito. And I really have to go. Kanina pa. Pero sa baba pa daw. So, tiisin na lang natin.